Bros, I very device with this. You have not heard. Defense flashlight. That's the magic. How?
It is a device that provides you with 100% possibilities of escaping any criminal attack. All you need to do is make sure it is fully charged. It works in two ways. The flashlight function. At night, you could use the light to point to the eyes of your opponent and instantly making them blind for at least 30 seconds. That is enough time for you to run for your life. The second is the one I call the electrocuting part, that is the laser. Once this comes in contact with your opponent's body, it paralyzes him or her for at least 5 minutes, buying you enough time to escape. With defense flashlights, our girls are safe from any form of abuses. If you need this device, click on the link below to make your order immediately. No carry last to